and we are coming to you with tip number
30!
30!
Good job, Lynn.
So we have rocked this challenge. We are challenged to do 30 videos every day, a video every day, on tips to be a game changer in your marketing business. So tip number 30, drum roll please.
One-up marketing! Guys, it's as simple as that. One-up marketing has been the true game changer in our business over the last 30 days. We were looking for a way to make money online. And we were also looking for a way to generate leads for all kinds of different businesses that we're dealing with right now. This system does both. Now, I can't go into all the details because it would take forever for me to try to explain this to you. But I tell you this, if you're really serious about discovering a way to make money online, looking for a way to really stay at home and make a full-time income, working part-time,
and you don't really know what you're doing or how to do it or which way to go,
exactly,
this will help you and teach you
a step-by-step process that, I mean, they literally hold your hand the whole way through this. And this is also a tribute to everybody over the last 30 days, and you all know who you are, and I hope that you'll all get a chance to watch this. From the bottom of our hearts, we want to thank you. To the audience that has checked out these videos, we want to thank you, because in 30 days, we have been able to, get our content out there on Google, and it's just absolutely amazing when you put yourself with the right system, with the right people, what you can accomplish in a very short period of time. So listen, here's the deal. There's a link down below. Click it. See what this can do for you.
Make this a game changer
in your marketing business. Don't worry, there is more to come. We are already working on our next video series, so we will be back very, very soon. Take care now.